Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can create WhatsApp link. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the messages or social media application on which you would like to share your WhatsApp link. Then open the target chat like a conversation with your friend and then start typing w.me/. Then type your phone number starting with your country code. After you are done typing, tap on send and you can see that the link is sent to the target person. If you tap on the sent link, you will be redirected to your WhatsApp chat. And that's how you can create WhatsApp link. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.